Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Andrew with Agency Turnkey. Wanted to do a result video here. We've been working a lot with attorneys lately. A lot of them are in a different type of industry, but I want to share an update on this one that I shared, I think, a month ago. I'm not sure, but this is going to be birth injuries. So what we're looking at here is we're doing a whole state. So obviously, it should be a lot easier than doing like a specific area. Um, diving into the results, this is going on 2 months already for this campaign. And we've generated 76 leads, $135 a pop, spending just over 10,000 bucks on it. Campaign we're looking at, we ran three of them. We split between video and then images and seeing which one did better. I thought video was going to do better with people actually talking about it versus like just an image. Not the case. Video just fell flat on its face, didn't perform. It was just horrible. As you can see, 214 a lead for video, which obviously isn't what we want. But when we ran images, they almost perform identical in terms of cost per lead, but the results were just a lot better on this one here, which is why it's still running. And we got 52 leads here, 132 a pop versus 23, 138. The differences here too were the audience. So this one had a little bit less restrictions when it came to like targeting and versus this one. So obviously audience size was a lot smaller, the more detailed we got versus we left it a little bit loose and it reached more people, I guess. And you can tell that by just the reach here, right? We reached almost, 7,000 more people. But we didn't get as many clicks, which is kind of odd, right? You reach more people, but you get less clicks on the ads. Whatever. But the frequency level here too, what I look for, anything above 2.5 at the very most, I got to redo it. So we're looking like we're going to have to either duplicate this or change some things up. So that way we can keep the lead flow in. Here, you're over 3.5 and it just starts to get more expensive, which is probably why we hit a wall here at 23 leads versus we kept running at 52. But pretty cool stuff. Pretty happy with this one so far, and looking forward to seeing how far this can go. But like I said, we've been doing a lot of stuff with attorneys in a lot of very weird industries, and want to share some of those results with you guys, which I'm going to be doing a ton of videos for you. But if you guys want to talk about, either white labeling or having us teach a media buyer here and there, so that way you can get these similar results in your industry, feel free to message me. We can talk about all the details there. And guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I want to keep it short and sweet. And we'll talk to you next time. And keep crushing it this week. Talk to you guys later.